mosque. I won't talk about the worldly, purely worldly matters in the mosque. I won't talk about, no, you can say nonsense in the mosque. I won't make a noise in the mosque. Ji.
I won't avoid cleaning the mosque.
No, this is actually cheating now.
Only for this for mosque.
First, now, then I will be making you to go for your own sentence. Ji. You are in the mosque, any one thing which you won't do.
I won't.
Okay.
I won't sleep in the mosque.
I won't sleep in the mosque. Okay.
I won't tell a lie in the mosque.
I won't tell a lie in the mosque. You are in the mosque. Any one thing which you won't do.
I won't interrupt the sermon.
I won't interrupt the sermon. Interrupt the sermon. Sermon means speech, khutbah. I won't interrupt. Interrupt, you know? I won't create problems. I won't talk. I won't stand. I won't run here and there like that. No, interrupt. I won't disturb the speaker. Ji.
I won't misbehave in the mosque.
I won't misbehave with anybody in the mosque. I won't run in the mosque. Clear? No keeping in your mind anywhere. Anywhere. No, you will give a statement so that we can move for narration. Hurry up. I won't be one and wear of your own choice.
I won't use my hand for useless things.
I won't use my hands for
Bad things.
bad things. Clear? I won't use my hands for bad things. Prophet Muhammad says that one of, no, you can say, the symbols of a true Muslim is that he doesn't use his hand for what? Useless activity. For disturbing anybody. Yeah? Al-Muslim man salim al-Muslimuna min lisani biyadi, no? He doesn't use his hand, he doesn't use his tongue for anything which is useless, which creates problems for others, which disturbs others. Gee, what does he say?
He says that
Loudly, please.
he says that he won't use his hand for useless things.
Okay, things or activity. Gee, what's about you?
I won't tell a lie.
Okay.
I won't tell a lie in the school.
I won't tell a lie in the school. And what's about that shop? What's about the market? What's about home? I won't tell a lie at any place. I won't tell a lie at any place.
Mr. Mudeeb informed us that he won't tell a lie in any place.
At any place. Clear? And what's about you?
I won't waste my time in future.
Very nice. I won't waste my time in future. Very good.
Mr. Khalid says that he won't
waste
his time in
future. See, one quotation I would like to share with you. You are ready?
Yes.
You are ready?
Yes.
We say we waste time. We say we waste time. No. We don't waste our time. We waste ourselves. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
We don't waste time. We waste ourselves. So can you repeat? We say we waste time.
No.
Not at all. No. We waste ourselves. We waste ourselves. Time, it keeps going. It keeps moving. It doesn't stop. It doesn't break for anybody. Even the Prophet, if he sleeps, now the time keeps moving. And when the sun rises, he comes to know, oh, the sun has risen now. You know? Bilal, he was appointed, no?
Yes, sir.
As a god, no? Night watchman, you can say now. Please? The very famous, that incident of his life is it. It doesn't wait for anybody. Time. It keeps moving. Say, I
won't late at the academy.
I won't late or I won't get late. I won't get angry. I won't get disturbed. Clear? Get late, get angry, get disturbed, and so on. I won't get late for academy. Late for I won't get late for my class. I won't get late for my game, and so on. For my class. For academy. You said for academy?
So God says that he won't get late for academy.
For the academy. What's about you?
I won't live in India.
I won't live in India. It's a beautiful country to live in.
I don't know.
You don't know. Did you visit India?
No,
It's a beautiful country. If you visit, that Mumbai, you will see that you will be visiting, that Karachi. If you are there in Delhi, you will see that Delhi is just like Lahore. Police area, man, no differences, no problem, but the same country, The whole universe is the creation of Allah Almighty. What do you say?
Yes.
We should compete in knowledge, information, in technology. Clear?
Yes.
वकीलों में डर भी लगता है यार ये जो खुद लेने वाले जजर में मार Okay, I want to live in India. Why? Because I love Pakistan. I love to live in my own country. हर बंदे ने अपना मुल्क जैसे. The way you love Pakistan, same is the case with the Indians. They love India. Clear?
Yes.
And the one who's living in America, he loves America. Even the one who's living in Bhutan, in Sri Lanka, he loves Bhutan or Sri Lanka. Clear? It's quite natural. Yes, sir.
Mr. Rafi tells us he wants live in
Tells us that. See, Mr. Rafiullah tells us, says, informs, intimates. Oh, so many words are there now. That he won't live in India. Gee. I won't live in India, but I'll watch Indian movies. I'll adopt Indian culture. I'll talk in Indian style. I'll wear all the Indian dresses. Clear? Katrina Kaif, Kajol, talk. Kuch not easy but one Pakistani zakara the naam daso, Kumosh. 10 Indian actors, वो है कि ना विधि बालन तो ले गए कुछ ऐसी मासी दरगस हेममालिनी तक वो तो जलवाने पहले मैं नरगिस ये संजना की माँ यार honey
I won't visit the library.
I won't visit the library. I won't visit the library.
Mr.
Mujahid.
Mr. says he won't visit the library.
Wait, but you're missing something. Think. That's written over here. Who, Mr. Mujahid, says that. Mr. Mujahid says that he won't visit the library. Is it good or bad? It's bad.
Very bad.
We the Muslims know now the very first revelation revealed unto Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that was Iqra, means read, study, consult books, etc. No? ये वही गल है कि मुसलमान ने शॉर्टकट 10 चैप्टर छोड़ दो, 17 छोड़ दो, 15 छोड़ दो, 17 छोड़ दो, कोई सवाल आया नहीं. Out of 12, 5 are skipped. और अब मैं मुसलमान हूँ, तो मैं इंडिया से नफरत कर रहा हूँ, मैं पाकिस्तान से. This is Iqra people, Iqra nation. Wrong. Ji. So this is any question over here?
No.
No, I am saying something. No, you would say Mr. Rafi says that he won't. Clear? I won't disturb anybody at any place.
Mr. Rafi says that he won't disturb anyone at any place.
Okay. I won't talk in Arabic at sea.
Mr. Rafi says that he won't talk in Arabic at sea.
Talk. I won't consult the doctor at his private clinic. I won't consult the doctor at his private clinic. I'll discourage this culture. I'll consult the doctor in the government hospital. Clear? Jim.
Sir, if he says that he won't consult the doctor at his
Private clinic. It's very bad. Now we should discourage this culture. We should try to study in government schools, government colleges. Clear? The same school, same professors, lecturers are there. Visiting faculty, Punjab group of colleges, ILM group of colleges. Same Mr. Masanat is there now, who is teaching there at Government Postgraduate College, Johaba.
Yes.
Same Mr. Masanat is teaching at ILM College or Punjab College. Here education is free. ILM College 50,000, Punjab College 65,000. Okay, so we say.